so I got this here VEVOR shop vac slash shampooer type deal here, and I used it a little bit just to check it out, but you know, it's got that, it's got the filters and whatnot, this, the hoses, the instructions and stuff, and well, Jesus, and that here extends. Let's see. Anyways, I'm gonna try it out on here. I'll put it on a tripod so my camera isn't so shaky, because you know, DD Speed Shop says he wanted me to shake the camera some more, but you know, I can't. So I brought this anyways. I brought this here piece of carpet and this rug in this room. I'm working on this room anyways, so I'm gonna try it out on here. I'll vacuum a little bit, but mostly want to see how the shampooer type deal is on it. So see that there, it goes like that. Obviously it just plugs right in. I'm, you know, wet, dry, vacuum, blah blah blah. I don't know, you know, I've never done a review on a vacuum or nothing like that. You know, I don't normally do any shampooing, but my lovely assistant, she's busy, so she can't do this. So anyways, so there's some attachments and whatnot. Comes packed pretty good, you know. Alright, so I'll get it set up. I would do it outside on a vehicle, but you know, it's like 20 below outside right now, so this is gonna have to work. Alright, so here's a better idea. You know, got D10s in there, so, and it's really not that loud. That's not loud to me. You know what? You know, I know it works pretty good. I mean, got good, you know, suction on it. So. Alright, so that's enough in that. I'm gonna clean it out and go to the kitchen. Let's see. Oh yeah, just put the dust back on the floor. So, you know, look at that there. That's just from in this room. Oh shit. But I've been working on it, so that's kind of why it's like that. But, so I'm going to put that, I'm going to clean this here out and put some, I don't have any shampoo and stuff, but I'm going to use Dawn dish soap and it better work. But we'll see how. That should be enough. It's done. Alright, so you take this here, it's got an O-ring on it, you plug it into there, turn this on, and look at there. It's working. It's getting it out. So you get the point. It does work. I mean, I would mainly use it for the you know, vehicles and whatnot myself. I got a shampooer for carpet, and I barely have any carpet in this house. Anyways, I'm gonna stick with the wood floor, but you know, hardwood floors. But I mean, for what it is, it's got, you know, it is pretty decent. I mean, you know, it's got the attachments. It's, you know, pretty decent for the price. I paid a lot more for shop vacs, and they were junk. But I don't know how long this will last. So you just, you know, quick detach there, and then that turns on there. So anyways, if you want one, I will leave a link in the description, like I said. As always, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share if you would. And that'll do it for this time.